Hi, I'm Declan, and this is how to assemble and install a corner-based cabinet. Let's get into it. Corner-based cabinets are essential in many kitchen layouts. They connect two cabinet runs and turn that corner space into practical storage. Start by laying out all the parts and checking them off against the instructions. Begin by attaching the back panel to the base using the supplied screws. However, before you do that, for extra strength, apply an exterior woodworking glue. Then, attach the second back panel and the adjoining one, ensuring all edges are flush. Next, fit the side panels, keeping the front edges aligned with the base. From here, install the front support rail to help keep the cabinet square. Then, attach the smaller rail with the supplied flat brackets and fix the adjustable feet to the base. Once your feet are installed, adjust the height to 145mm. Before proceeding, check that the corner of your room is square. To do this, use a builder's square. This will help keep everything aligned properly once installed. The 20mm overhang at the back of the side panels gives you the room to adjust for any wall inconsistencies. Position your cabinets in place. Join the corner cabinet to any adjoining base cabinets before fixing anything to the wall. Clamp them together, align the faces, pre-drill and screw through the side panels to secure. Once everything is joined, check if it's level and adjust the feet if needed. Getting this right is crucial for benchtop alignment. It's now time to secure the cabinet to the wall. You'll likely notice a small gap, so pop in some packers to fill that space. With the run of cabinets level and aligned, fix the cabinets to the wall by drilling through the back panel into the studs using 65mm screws. The next step is to install your shelf. Now it's time to fit your hinges. For these doors, we'll be using a corner cabinet hinge kit. Start by removing the hinge arms from the mounting plates. To do this, just press the release tab at the end. Line up the elongated holes on each plate with a pre-drilled one inside the panel. These often come with small plastic lugs to help with positioning. Make sure the round holes in the plate face the front, then secure them using 14mm screws. Once the plates are in, line up the door so that the hinge arms align with the mounted plates. Clip each hinge arm into place with a firm push. You'll hear a click when they lock in. Check to make sure it's secure, then gently open and close to test the movement. To maximize your space and make your cabinet more useful, you can add a rotating basket. A handy tip is to install this prior to your benchtop. And there you have it. You've made the most out of your space with a corner-based cabinet. If you like this video, make sure you check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.